Hey everyone people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video episode, we continue our theme how to build a cool website or even a landing page without any coding skills, any tech skills. So UKit is that service and it will help you with this difficult task. So I advise you watch this video till the end because it's very interesting as for novices and I guess as for web designers, for everyone, for business owners, for those who have their own startups, and for those who like to represent their products or themselves in a website or even a landing page. As usual, I'm waiting for your feedback, I'm waiting for your likes, shares, comments, and let's get down to our work just directly right now, and all the useful links will be in the description. So let's get down. So first of all, before you actually proceed to the website development process, you need to sign up for the platform. Fortunately, the website builder provides easy, fast, and hassle-free registration procedure. So it's possible to choose from two sign-up options here. The first one implies the use of your social account. This can be Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and others, if you already have the one, of course. And the second registration option is to fill out the sign-up form, providing your email and password info. Upon the completion of this step, you will be offered to confirm the registration by activating the link available in the email, and right after that you will be redirected to the template selection page to pick one of the designs listed right here. And actually we will do just directly right now because I've registered an account, and right now you see many templates right here. There are many of them, or you can scroll down to search one that you like the most, for example, or you can choose a design depending on the category you would like to, whether it be education and training, design, dancing, furniture, games, handmade crafts, health and medical care. Let's just take a look at it. So not each section has many templates, I would say, but you may search the one that you like the most. And remember that, for example, for the games we have only one template, but it's not a problem because you remember that working with the template, your task is to redesign it with your portfolio, with your images, with your personal content. So basically that's how it works. Or even event planning. Here we have, let's by the way take a look of this one, of this template. And if you don't like this template, if you see that it actually doesn't suit your needs, so you click to the bottom view next and actually use to continue your search. If you like this template, so you click directly to choose the design, and after you will work with the editor. So basically here we have what? We have one section, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections we have. It's not a large, too large, I would say, website, but it's very, I would say, not easy, but not so difficult, to be honest, for you, because working with UKit, it takes you 1 hour to create a cool website without any coding or tech skills. By the way, here we have many, not many, we have the adapted side versions. So this is for the desktop. Here we have actually for a tablet, and actually it has 2 modes. By the way, so these are 2 modes what you have right here. And for smartphone devices, so basically you might play around, scroll down how it looks like, because the adapted side versions, they are also important because you hold your phone 24 hours per 7, and I guess that it's much important than the whole concept of the design. Because the adaptive design, this is the major thing, I would say. Going back to the desktop versions, here we have these 3 colors, I would say. So actually this is a color scheme, and you can check the main words, I would say buttons. You may change actually the color, and here we have this opportunity. So basically we have 3 choices, green, blue, and orange one. So let's take the orange one. And so actually, for those who don't understand what is UKit, in my words, I can explain you that actually UKit, this is a website builder. And with the help of this website builder, you can create a website, a landing page, a blog, yep. And this is a recently new website builder and is used to launch and manage small startups, businesses, other types of projects for personal and of course in commercial use. So this system actually has gained worldwide popularity because it's simple. It doesn't compromise with the quality and professional web design approach. So this is an indispensable solution for new buyers and web design pros willing to establish professional web presence for their business. Yep. And this website builder will work great for all representatives of small and medium businesses who lack web design experience, who lack time, and don't wish to pay enormous sums of money to web studios. So this is actually the option for you to make cool website, and you don't need right here to have your designer, I would say UI UX designer. Why? Because actually you can do it by yourself. And I would say the key point of UK is actually that the system is very flexible, it's very simple, the interface is user-friendly, and it completes around 70% of work on its own. So there are no layout, design, style charts, Photoshop, and other daily issues most web developers encounter here. Yep. So frequent updates will make the service more convenient and functional. So I guess that we will choose this design because I want to show you all how actually the editor works. So the next step actually is that right here you need to put a random name. It actually puts randomly, but to be honest, I prefer to do this as a last chance. It's not chance, it's a last step. Yeah. And after the finishing process of designing process of your website, of your landing page, yeah. So clicking directly to the bottom, continue. We will wait just a few seconds and we will start our work with the editor. So this is the place where we work, where is actually the designing process. This is the editor, to be honest. Here we have many blocks, sections, yep, so basically you need to work with them. The next one, what I would love to say, here we have on the left panel, this is a menu, or I would say it's not a menu. In other words, these are the main tools. Basically here we have 4 tools, and the first one is site pages. So actually this tool is responsible for site pages because you may add right here pages, delete existing ones, rename them, yeah, and of course you can change the order right here, yeah, between these pages. And of course, you can simply navigate between these pages, and it's very convenient. Yep, working with each page, with each section, just right here with the site pages tool. Yeah, the next one tool is a builder, and you can track that builder. Actually, we have 2 parts. Yep, it separates a builder into widgets and into blocks. So basically, right here, talking about the blocks, you have the choices, the variants of block, and you can simply just add each block. And the editor, as you see, is drag and drop editor, so you simply drag any element, any block in that place that you see is convenient. Yep, and you continue your work. Talking about the widgets, so here we have many kinds of widgets. It means basic, structure, content, online store, and others, media forms, social accounts. Yep, so basically you simply drag any element to place. Yep, even if it will be steps. I don't know what should be. It may be just like SoundCloud. Yep. So basically, you simply drag any element to the place that you see that it suits your needs, it's convenient. So that's how it works, this editor. The next one is a design. So basically, a design is responsible for the whole concept of a landing page or a web site, because you can change a color scheme, of course, or you can create your personal custom scheme. The next one, you can change site background, you can put the image if you see that you would like to do this, yep, or change, I would say, the color of a background, to be honest. You may play around with all these things, with all this stuff, and playing around with all these settings. Yep, the next one is font. So basically, you may change the fonts, play around to see if it's appropriate or not, and all the fonts, they will be actually you change the fonts in all the website, yep, not only in one section, and it's very, for me, it's convenient, yep. Or you may simply navigate in such things, for example, header, footer, all the extra I would say settings. The next one, the adaptive site version. Of course, we are looking right now at the desktop, but it's important to play around, of course, with the tablet version, because you need to understand what should be hidden. Yep, what do you need to hide? What do you need to save? Yep, it's important, to be honest, because you need to reflect the main information, of course, in a tablet site version and in a mobile devices. So basically, that's how it works, and you see that it's very simple to work with the UKit. So what I can say, it depends, of course, on your suits, on your needs. As a type of an advice, if you don't know what should be, just take a paper, yep, and try to draw sections, yep, blocks. How do you see it, how you imagine it in your head, and try to reflect from that what is on that paper, yep, try to reflect it in your personal template, yep. So to sum up all the things, I can say that based on one of the best samples of visual editors, UKit provides a user with an opportunity to design an appealing website from scratch without any preparation stages. So if you can build a landing page just in 20 minutes, and you can build a cool website in 1 hour, and if you need to build a very large website with many pages, which is full of information, it will take you up to 2 hours only. But it's very fast, it's very convenient, and it's very easy because interface is user-friendly. And you see that right here, you just select some elements, add some widgets, and actually in this way, that's how it works. So for me, this is the major benefit of a website builder, and it means that any person can yield decent result when working with it. So this can be compared to the work of a professional web designer. And of course, you can have many advantages. For me, the main advantages are a drag and drop editor. It has intuitive dashboard. It has simple block and widget customization. E-commerce, of course, engine right here is included. It has exceptional simplicity and convenience. It has multiple responsive industry-specific templates. And of course, no coding skills required. And of course, it's good for small businesses, for startups. It's very simple for new buys, and this is as I would say, these are main advantages of the UKit service. Yep, and remember that it works as a great for a hassle-free and comfy website development process. So it can be used to start and effectively manage small businesses' websites, blogs, portfolios, promo websites, landing pages, and even small to mid-sized online stores. So just think about it, and I advise you to practice with UK. And actually, this is the end of my reviewing video. Of course, I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your comments, I'm waiting for your personal opinion and feedback. So I guess that we will see each other in another video episode. I wish you good luck with the UK, and see ya. Bye.